In this video, we are going to show you how to recover deleted Google account. In case if you have deleted your Google account or Gmail account and you want to get back your deleted Google account, so watch this video till the end. So first of all you have to navigate the Google app on your device. Hold the Google app, tap on App Info. And then tap on Permissions, and then tap on Location, tap on Don't Allow, tap on Don't Allow Anyway. Now minimize this one. Now open Google Chrome app, hold the Google Chrome, tap on App Info, tap on Permissions, and then tap on Location, tap on Don't Allow, tap on Don't Allow Anyway. Now minimize this one also. Now you have to open Google Play Store, search here for UC Browser, and then here you will find this browser. You have to download and install this browser. After installation open UC Browser. Open google.com, then tap on Sign In, and then here you have to enter the Gmail account that you want to recover. Tap on Next, and then here you will see this kind of error, could not find your Google account because you have already deleted this account. So what you have to do, you have to minimize this one. Now open Settings. And scroll down to Google. Here on top right corner click on 3 dots. Here you will find Help option. Tap it and you will move to here. Now in search bar type deleted Google account recovery. And tap on the first option. Here tap on follow the steps to recover your account. Here you will find Google account recovery page. Type Gmail address that you want to recover and tap Next. Now enter your last password and tap Next. Now Google asks you recovery email address. So type and press Next. Google sends 6-digit code to verify it. So paste this code here. Here you can see this option. So within 48 hours Google will send a link on recovery email. So by clicking that link you can recover or restore your deleted Google account. If this video helps you, do like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.